Hello and welcome, everyone. This is Daily 10 English Words, Day 1. In this video, we'll learn 10 simple English words that you can use every day. For each word, I'll give you a clear meaning and 3 easy examples to help you understand and remember. Let's begin. Word 1, happy, meaning feeling joyful or glad. Examples: I felt so happy when my team won the game yesterday. She was happy because her friends threw her a surprise party. The children were happy, playing in the park. Happiness is a beautiful feeling. What makes you happy? Word 2, eat, meaning to put food into your mouth and swallow it. Examples: I eat breakfast every morning before going to work. She likes to eat pizza with her friends on Fridays. Do you eat rice or noodles more often? Eating healthy gives you energy and focus. Word 3, run, meaning to move quickly by using your legs. Examples: he runs every day because he's training for a marathon. When it started to rain, everyone had to run inside quickly. I don't usually run, but yesterday I ran to catch the bus. Running is a great way to stay healthy. Word 4, big, meaning large in size, the opposite of small. Examples: they have a big house and with a beautiful garden. Wow, that's a big sandwich. Can you finish it alone? My sister has a big smile every time she sees her puppy. Big things can be fun and exciting. Word 5, house, meaning a building where people live. Examples: my house is near the lake and it's very peaceful there. They just moved into a new house in the city. On weekends, we love inviting friends over to our house. A house is more than a place, it's your home. Word 6, friend, meaning a person you like, trust and enjoy spending time with. Examples: my best friend always supports me when I'm feeling sad. I made some new friends at my English class yesterday. A true friend listens and cares about your feelings. Friends make life more meaningful. Word 7, drink, meaning to swallow liquid like water, tea or juice. Examples: I always drink coffee in the morning to wake up. Children should drink lots of water to stay healthy. My favorite drink in hot weather is fresh juice. Staying hydrated helps your body and your brain. Word 8, cold, meaning having a low temperature, not warm. Examples: it was so cold last night, I needed extra blankets. I prefer cold drinks during the summer. Her hands were cold because she forgot her gloves. When it's cold, remember to bundle up. Word 9, book, meaning something you read, often filled with stories or information. Examples: I'm reading a book about adventures at sea. She borrowed a book from the library about cooking. Books are great because they help you learn new things. Books are your best friends for learning. Word 10, sleep, meaning to rest your body and mind by closing your eyes. Examples: I usually sleep at around 10 p.m. every night. Babies need a lot of sleep to grow strong and healthy. It's important to sleep enough to feel energetic the next day. Sleep helps your body recharge and your mind relax. Great job today. You've just completed Day 1 of Daily 10 English Words. Review these words again. Try using them when you speak or write. And let me know in the comments which word was your favourite today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for Day 2. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.